So it's Thursday night, and we've agreed that tonight's another night to do some more color tour mapping, routing. And Kirk's Jeep was broke because last weekend when we went out, or last Thursday when we went out, he started getting some severe clunking and rattling in the back. And so what we found was the dog bone on his passenger side rear shock, the ears had broke off. The one side, and then it twisted out of the other side, and the shock was just laying in there banging against the exhaust and stuff. So I have recently helped do a lift on a JK for a friend, and so I ended up with an extra stock Jeep shock out back in my scrap heap pile, and so I just cut that dog bone out of it, and now is the crazy task of trying to get this one pushed into the shock that he has, and we'll get that shock bolted back in. And we're gonna give this thing a quick nut and bolt check because he is a super busy guy and hasn't had time to do it, and we wanna make sure that we're all safe and having a good time tonight. So, little craft magic wizardry with the socket, WD-40, a press, new dog bone inserted in the shock. Now we'll get this back under the Jeep, start looking over everything else. So tonight, we have made our way towards Williamsburg. We're over at Broomhead Road, actually. We've turned onto road called South Branch Road. And it appears to kind of meander along the river a little bit. We really haven't had any good visible sightings of it yet, but it kind of snakes along it, which is cool. And we're having fun. Got Kirk and Steve behind us, and I haven't heard any chirping out of Kirk, so that must mean the shock thing is working, so that's good. And just having a good time, enjoying a peaceful cruise through the woods. Those are nifty noises. Kirk's up there somewhere, but he ain't quite making it. We'll let these boys play for a minute, and then we'll show them. Momentum wins the race in sand. Ooh, Steve's getting a little flat. Woo, that's a big banger. Rev limiter action. Oh, Kirk made it. The only way to get anywhere in sand is to air down. Oh yeah, nice, right up it. All right, so I forgot the GoPro tonight. We're just gonna give it what we got with the phone. Sorry for the wiggle. Oh, it gets really tight. I don't want to bounce it off those trees, and it looks like it's tight. I don't really want to bounce it off those trees, and it looks like that's what the ruts are going to make me do. Oh yeah. I'd prefer to not do that. Just doing a little trail clearing, getting these logs out of the way so we can continue on our journey.